Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I changed my shirt too. So, let's have another look. I've got the 3 things out of the box and my battery's charged so I can keep going. So, let's see. Now, I did have a little peek. Of course, how could I not? Waiting for it to charge, but I haven't taken the necklace out of its box or anything. I just sort of had a quick look, trying to get a bit of light shed on this. It's really, I don't want to be too close. Okay, so firstly I'll just show you if I can. No, I can't. There it is on my computer, and after that I'll just show you, I'll tell you where it comes from. Okay, help me get this right. Right, that'll do. There. Yep. So I'll turn that off because it's stressing out my computer. And it's from the Sarah Ha Jewellery nano line. I just got quite a few nano things. And that's it. And I'll take it out, have a bit of a look, and it's a fairly decent length chain too, and it's got optical glass. I'll take it off. Optical glass cover, so it's completely, let's see if I can get this, show it, completely protected on the front, see, with optical glass. I don't know if you can see it. It's whereas my other nano Bible that I bought is not, the nano isn't protected, and that fully is covered in the King James Bible, and it has the optical glass over the front, right? So just put that there, and because I wanted it to, oh, it's all shining, reflecting colours. How pretty did that? I knew it would, because on the picture it does that sort of, like if you've got a diamond. I have a diamond, but I don't wear it anymore. But it reflects the light, and colour, rainbow colours there. You can just see it. I can see it in the camera. So that when you wear it, it's all flickering colours. Now, I had a little look in these boxes. There are 2 boxes, and this is, interestingly, there's a little case for it, maybe if you're giving it a gift or just putting it away. It's got a little light in it. So I guess if it's sitting in there, I didn't do that, but I'm imagining that if you, oh, that's nice, if it's see, it's got a little light, it's got its own light. How cool is that? Anyway, I might as well leave it in that for now, rather than on a piece of paper. And then there's this, which I had a little peek at, because I thought, well, what are all these things? And there's this. Oh, what's that? I thought, what is that? And it says, Holy Bible, scan this QR code or place the link in the address bar of the browser. What's it say? I didn't look. Okay, it's a couple of those cards. You can save your page as an icon on your home page. Rightio. Anyway, so I thought, okay, it's got little finger holders there. Okay, so it slides, and it says on the it's a magnifying glass of varying degrees, and it says get this out of its little light. It says on the site, I'm not showing you a great deal, am I? It's not very fair. It says on the site that there's a reader. I'm not going to do that. There's a reader. Oh, where is it? Very hard to do this without me seeing it myself. Well, anyway, there's a reader. I had a quick look at it, and you can see the little pages like it does on the site. It's got covered in little pages, little Bible pages. So the whole King James Bible. That's extraordinary. This nanotechnology is just mind-boggling, isn't it? But I've seen how it's done, videos on how they make it. And this Sarah Ha Jewellery, she's got a video on how they make it. The nano, it's engraved, and so yeah, so there's this very interesting thing which I'm going to explore now, because I have not done that yet. And very kind of interesting, isn't it? Sort of soft but firm. Anyway, so I'm going to look at that and that, and there it is. Something lovely. It's hard to show it again. I'll show it one more time. On a nice chain. Very well made. How close can I get? Don't know if you can see little pages. My camera's pretty good, so you can see less of my hand and more of it. There, I don't know. Anyway, it's got a little code on the back for something which I'm yet to discover. Probably to do with that reader. That there's a reader online apparently, or something. I don't know. It's all new to me. Anyway, you've seen it. You might want one now. They're on special. Darn it, they went on special right after I bought mine, so I paid full price and full ship, because everything's shipping to Australia. It cost a fortune. All my Bibles have cost like half again just to get them here. Anyway, hello Bible, King James. I'm pretty wrapped in that. What could be better? So very exciting, and there it is. Focus on it. Thanks for watching, and God bless.